Okay, here is a website for you do-it-yourselfers on your own vehicle. It is called carcarekiosk.com, okay? And the nice thing is you can go down here and just quickly, if you want to, just go and select the kind of car you got. Okay, so let's say I know what I've got. I've got a Honda Pilot, okay? So I'm going to go with Honda Pilot. I'm going to select it. I can select a year. Go to 2017. Let's say that's what I've got. And again, what options do you have? Okay, so I know what I've got on this one. So what parts do you want to look at fixing? Do you want to look at air conditioning? Do you want to look at brake fluid? Do you want to look at the battery? What about light bulbs? Okay, this will show you actually how to replace these. Now, unfortunately, when you turn this on, first you're going to have to watch just a little bit of a few-second commercial. Once it goes past this, it will show you the step-by-step on actually how to replace like the rear taillight on this 2017 Honda Pilot. Okay, so I've actually got the volume turned down, so you really can't listen to that right now.
Open the hatch to gain access to the bulb assembly. The steps needed to access the other side are the same as this side.
So many different cars in there, all kinds of do-it-yourself repairs. Hopefully this is a very helpful site to you do-it-yourselfers. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe. I'm going to come up with some other videos. Thank you.
Then pull it out.